In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 5 amazing grants that you can get for either your small business, your newly started up business, and some of these grants you can even get for personal use. So this is going to be 5 companies that you probably didn't even know offer grants, guys. And if you stay tuned to the end of this video, you will learn exactly how to get a grant in 3 business days. Woo. And before we start this video, I just want to let you guys know the only 3 things that you need to get these business grants is you're just going to have an LLC, and then 2, you're going to need to have a business bank account, and thirdly, guys, you're going to need to have a statement of need, meaning that a statement of why you need this grant. Why is this grant going to be helpful for you? And throughout this video, I'm going to teach you guys what these people want to see when you are applying for grants and what you should say on your statement so that you can automatically get accepted. So with all that being said, man, stay tuned for more after the intro. Let's go. Woo! Woo, so now over on the desktop, we have the first grant, guys, and it's going to be called the Lenovo Evolve Small Grant. Now, I have went over this grant in the past, guys, Lenovo Evolve Small, and all of these grants that I'm about to go over with you today, guys, is pretty easy to get, and it's self-explanatory on how to get them. Like I said, as long as you have your business bank account, your LLC, and your statement of need nicely filled out and pretty much structured correctly, which I'm going to teach you later, you are good to go with these loans and grants, guys. Not loans, but grants. So what this is, guys, is I'm pretty much going to just be giving you the names of these sites, and this is the only one that is not actually offering out grants right now. But guys, you can easily go up here and just get started with Letters Podcast, and you can even join the mailing list so that you would know when these grants are available. So that is the first one, Lenovo Small, and you can get up to $10,000 with this loan, and this is one of the bigger grant amounts. I keep saying loan, guys, but no, these are grants. And the difference between a loan and a grant is that with a loan, boom, you have to pay it back, of course. You know what I'm saying? You get $10,000. Now you might have to pay back $15,000. You know, you have to pay it back, not only pay it back, but pay it back with interest. And with a grant, guys, this is absolutely free money. You don't have to pay none of this back, and this can absolutely jumpstart your business. So let's go to the second one, and the second one is going to be Amazon. So you might think like, whoa, Amazon? Well, yes, guys, this is a good grant that you can start getting. It's called the Business Accelerator Grant by Amazon, and you can just go right here to this first link and start getting started today and get you a grant. So with this Amazon grant, guys, as you can see, this is supporting Black businesses. And step 1, you will log into the central seller. Step 2, you will add your certification, and then step 3, you will get your resources. So this Black Business Accelerator Resource Center is, you know, a good thing that Amazon has to offer. They are giving out grants up to, I think, $1,000, I believe. And guys, you know, there's just a lot of resources on here as well. You would grow and you would start, and also you can even get started actually selling with Amazon. As you can see, this is more of how to sell products online and stuff like that. But like I said, if you type in the Business Accelerator Grant by Amazon, you can start finding how to get this grant. So for the next one, and another shocking one that you might be like, what? It's gonna be Walmart, guys. So with Walmart, they do actually have a grant as well, and as you can see, from a minimum of $250 to a maximum of $5,000. Now this is a very good one. They have 4 quarters. We have 4 quarters in a year. They have 4 different grant opportunities, February 4th through April 15th, and so on and so forth, as you can see now here. And for the 4th quarter, we're actually closing up, guys, November 1st to December 31st. So guys, don't forget to go ahead and check out this Walmart, because it's $250 to $5,000, absolutely free money. Like, why would you want to miss out on that? But anyways, yeah, that's really all. It's self-explanatory on Walmart's, guys. And you know, you can go to the what we do and you can see all of their benefits, who we are, but I'm pretty sure you know who Walmart is. So yes, guys, this one is called the Walmart grant. You can just type in Walmart grant, and you can go to local community grants, and you can go to the grant eligibility and see if you are eligible to get this grant, guys. So you will easily just go right here and apply for your grants and review program guidelines, and once you apply for your grant, you will know pretty soon if you're able to get this or not. So for the fourth one, guys, we do have Johnny Walker. Now, Johnny Walker is a nice grant that is not so easy to get as well. It's not necessarily granting at this time. I don't know how to call it, but if you guys easily sign up and put in your email, you can get updated when these grants are coming. You can go to the newsletter and you can get updated, you know, when these grants are about to be posted, when you can get started. And guys, this is a women-owned business as well, so go ahead and get started with them, man. So for the fifth one and the final one, but before we get into the final one, man, don't forget to check out the links in the description where we do have coaching calls. I do provide coaching calls to start up your online business, your trucking business, because I am an expert at starting up trucking businesses. And also, guys, I do have YouTube memberships for a very, very cheap price. And also, I do do trading. I know that's a lot of alsos, but also you should like and you should also subscribe to the channel, because we're coming at you every day with this lit banger content to make investing more simple. Back to the video. So for the fifth one, guys, we have 15% pledge grant, guys. So what this is and how you can find it is, let's just go all the way back to the front. This is called the 15% pledge grant, and you can go to about the reward, or you can go to 15% pledge right here. So it's pretty self-explanatory, and you can go to awards up here in this top hand corner. And right after you go to awards, guys, you can see the Sephora Beauty Grant. This is more so for black owned businesses as well, but you don't have to be black owned. You know, it's more so for female businesses, but you don't have to be a female. So this is a pretty diverse grant, guys. And as you can see, you can go to awards and then go to the Sephora Beauty Loan or grant. I keep saying loan. I'm so sorry, guys. You know, mistakes are made. You know, it is what it is. But yeah, guys, you can go to apply now, email address, password, and I'm not gonna do it right now because I have my email and so much stuff. It's getting overwhelming. But achievement award. Let's just go here, see what this has to offer. And as you can see, man, they have a video. Black entrepreneurs continue to face some systematic barriers when it comes to accessing funding to grow their businesses, guys. So in the last year, black startup founders have received $264 million of $33 billion in local capital. Guys, this is a good loan. So guys, this 15% pledge grant is also another good one to go. As you can see, it opens October 30th, it closes November 30th, and you guys can start getting this money within January 8th to January 14th. And then it starts another event on the, actually the winner is discussed on the February 3rd. So this one will take about 2 months to actually receive the funds, and it is a competition for it. So you have to have the best letter of need, guys. Your reason or statement of need needs to be on key. Now let me show you what you need to put in this statement of need so you can be a more valuable candidate to start getting these grants. So simply, guys, when you are writing out these statements of need, you just want to put, you know, if you are a new business or if you have a good cause for your business, let's just say you're selling socks or something, you know, something that's not really a good cause. But if you're selling socks and it's just a regular sock store, you want to make it seem to that grant company that you're selling socks for a very, very cheap price to kids that can't afford socks or something like that. You want to make it seem like you're doing something for the community. You're making it seem like you're doing something for the greater good. Now, if you have a regular, let's say, trucking business, since we are in the trucking industry, if you have a regular trucking business and you need to get a grant to, you know, at least buy your first rental so you can start getting paid to go over the road, guys. And also, while we're on this topic, I do go over a lot of trucking videos over the channel. You can start a trucking business yourself with barely any money. If it only takes $1,500 down for a deposit to start renting out a truck, guys, you can rent out a truck and start making up to $1,000 a day. Yes, $1,000 a day, and your deposit is only $1,500. So you drive all week, you can make a gross profit of $7,000 and start netting, you know, $5,000 to even $6,000 per week. But anyways, on these statements of need, guys, let's say you are in the trucking industry, you want to make it seem like you're carrying the most precious freight, the most precious truck loads to help out some type of organization, some type of company, or even, you know, what's it called, Salvation Army or Goodwill. You want to make it seem like you're helping out the community with your business in some type of way. If you have some type of food truck, or if you're a food business, make it seem like every now and then you give out free meals to children, or even do it. Don't even make it seem like it. Do it. Give out free meals to children. Go to the schools. Give out free meals every now and then now make it seem like in your statement of need you need this grant so that you can bless the people that are not able enough, just like most of us are. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people are not able, so make it seem like you're gonna bless them and that you need a little bit of extra money just so that you won't come out your pocket to spend money to help other people out. So once you do that, guys, you just have to validate that you are doing something to help out the community, to help out somebody besides yourself, and then you will be an eligible candidate to start getting these grants. So I hope this information helped. If it did, man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and while you at it, you might as well hit the post notification button right here, because like I said, we post every day on exclusive investing content. And if you want more exclusive investing content, no ads, no promo, no fluff, because I know you probably skipped through these ads, but if you did, man, just like the video so that more people can get to know these grants. But we have the YouTube memberships right here. If you want no ads, no promo, no fluff, exclusive investing content for a very cheap price. So you don't want to miss out on that. Also, check out the links in the description. Get all the information you need. Knowledge is power, and knowledge is money, man. And scared money don't make no money. So take the time for yourself, man. Learn for yourself and invest in yourself. No matter if you're buying a class, or no matter if you're spending hours a day on YouTube to learn something new. Just always work on yourself. If you're not working on yourself, you're pretty much dying. And that's all I gotta say to that, man. My name's KINGLATTA. This is Black Investors Group, and I'll see you tomorrow. We out. Woo! You talking money,